Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing on how to use. Have you ever wondered on how to use LinkedIn job search to filter the jobs by exact job title and then sort them by the most recent postings? So I ran into a problem where every time I used the sort by date filter, LinkedIn would actually forget the exact job title I typed in, and it was super annoying. But after some digging, I finally found a way to fix this, and that's what I would be sharing with you guys too. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here, my expected job title is QA engineer, which I have searched, and there are 5,786 results. And then I filtered them by the most recent job posted. As I scroll down, I can see that there are results for DBA engineer or security engineer or SQL database developer. But that's not what I needed. My expected job title was just the QA engineer. Now here's the trick. Whenever you want the job search to have the result by exact matching job title, always use the inverted comma around your job title and then search. Now, when I put the filter of most recent, the job search results shows me only 3,101 results, but they are only belonging to the Q engineer job title, and they are also sorted in the exact order. 26 minutes ago, 32 minutes ago, 42 minutes ago. And that's what I needed. And just like that, now I'm getting my job search in a smarter way. But recruiters don't always use the same job title. So, how do you search for similar roles? For example, test engineer or functional tester or Q engineer, because somehow they all are related. So, there's a simple trick. We can use the OR operator in the LinkedIn search, and then we can get the search results matching by QA engineer or functional tester, or even if they have the keyword SQL. My results have increased, and now I will be getting the results having all the three titles. Try this hack the next time you are hunting job on LinkedIn and make sure your results are smarter, faster, and more relevant. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more LinkedIn job search hacks. See you next time.